Okay, Ryan, let's see how you've done. So, first page, 1680, 2628, 1032, 139, 4 marks. Not sure why you haven't attempted this. That should be something you're able to do. £16.25 is correct there, and similarly with this. This is something that's really straightforward. Take a look at my video solution of this paper and make sure that you're happy with how to do those two there. 280 is correct, 920 is correct, difference 640 is correct. Why has that become a 20? Very odd. Okay, you're going to lose a mark for that, I'm afraid, even though everything else that you've written is right. Just been very careless there. So for the page, 469. Okay, this is good that you've got 54, so you've counted 54 squares. This is good that you're multiplying that by 5, but this is wrong. Now, what I think you've done is you have done 54 times 5 times 5. Each square is a centimetre squared, so you've just got to do 54 times 5 and not 54 times 5 times 5. So your answer should have been 270 cm squared. You're going to get 2 marks for that, because what you've written down there is absolutely spot on. Okay, this isn't a tangent, that is a diameter. That is a tangent. Okay, a line that touches the circumference of a circle is a tangent. It's not a perpendicular bisector, I'm afraid. So you don't get either of those marks. You get that, and you get that. Well done. So for that page you score 5. There should be nothing on that page that you can't do. You should be able to do that. You should be able to plot points on a page. So you've got your 37 and £18.50 for other days. The method you use here is wrong. You need to, from that £129.50, you need to be taking away the cost of the first day, which is 37. So your method is wrong there. I'm afraid you get no marks on that page. Okay, what you've written under there is wrong. It isn't t to the power of 6, and that is wrong as well. Take a look at how I've explained that on the video. Okay, hopefully it'll make sense. If you want to practice that, go onto the foundation part of the Jones & Son website, and you're looking for the bit that says algebra in context. Once you practice a few, you'll be able to do those no problem. That is correct. Now what have you done here? 363. Okay, you've almost done the right thing here. It is 363 divided by the dollars, but if you read the question, the exchange rate has changed. You should be dividing by 165, not 155. So you're definitely going to get the method mark there for the division, but you're not going to get the final answer. Okay, so we're into averages. You've correctly ordered the list, and you have seen that there are 2. Now what happens with the median, if there is a middle pair of numbers, you find the halfway point between the 2. So halfway between 27 and 33 is 30, okay, rather than what you've done there. But your method is right. The range is right, good. You found the total, but the question hasn't asked you for the total, it's asked you for the mean, which means you have to find the total and then divide by however many there were, which in this case is 8. So your method isn't there for that. And then for this one, no, method completely wrong. Have a look and listen how I worked that one out on my answer video. So for this page, you've got 2, 3, 4, 5. The other number is 5. Well done. Might have been helpful to put a bit more writing around that one, but it's not asking you to communicate. You got the right answer, you got the 3 marks. However, there are other things on that page that you should be able to do. Question 15 is, well, you're doing kind of the right thing. You've spotted that you need to multiply the 4 by the bits inside that bracket, but what you've done then is totally wrong. Okay? Watch what I've done on the video. We will be doing lots of practice on algebra and equations anyway. That page, you need to be able to deal with these. 7 marks gone a beg in there, and they're relatively straightforward. I reckon the last few pages there, you just haven't given enough time to try and get your head around. So, anyway, Ryan, what have we got? 9, 14, 19, 22, 22 out of 100. That's not great. 22 out of 100 is grade G. Okay, so there's a lot of work that you need to be doing because you're throwing away some pretty silly marks with some of those questions, and you've left a lot out.